Guys, we got more stuff to unbox.
Oh, really?
What am I seeing here? When I should be looking the other way.
It's the Unboxo cam.
Oh,
Nice.
interesting.
Okay.
Yeah.
This way?
Elemental Panic very nicely sent us shock mount
Nauseous.
for the
Oh.
mic. And then also this next one scares the shit out of me.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
A different pop filter. Oh, a pop filter for the new mic. Wow.
Well, it's not. It doesn't take up as much space.
It's teeny tiny.
They're peeling away the clothing.
I think that mic was sent to you just so we can get a face reveal.
We did the unboxing video last week, and I think people liked it. I got a little bit of feedback on it. The only main thing was that people didn't like my hands.
Oh, well, yeah, your hands are hideous. I thought that was common knowledge.
So that's fine. I get it. I'm here to please. I want to, make everybody happy. So I've got some adjustments. I'm going to try and do this. Keep my hands out of it. So hold on. This is...
See, you make fun of Joey. He's going to do things like this. He's so self-conscious, you guys. You can't do this.
Hold on. Look, we want to keep up with the trends, do these unboxing videos. People like, oh, there we go. All right, so one flap undone. But I don't, if people don't want to see my hands, I don't want to show my hands. That's fine.
No, that's obviously someone was just messing with you. You have beautiful hands. This looks like you just want a challenge.
No,
also,
does this look a lot like I have too much time in my life? And
you're surprisingly good at it right now, and it makes me wonder, why aren't you with like a bomb squad or something?
I can't get into my service record right now, but
hand simulators is verified.
Yeah, this is hours and hours, hundreds of hours in hand simulator. All right,
I was wondering why Jeff suggested hand simulator so much. He wants to know what it's like to have other people's hands.
If I was showing my hands on cam today, I'd be able to fit a whole hand in there.
What were they saying about your hands in the last one?
I think one of the comments was your hands look like they've touched dead people.
Oh my god!
Which I don't even know what that means. It's hurtful to me, but I don't understand where it's coming from.
Clearly, that was just a joke. Nobody really thinks you're, touching dead people all willy-nilly.
Those comments can be brutal.
It can be hurtful. They're really hurtful. All right. So, okay, it's in a bag. Get this.
And I think someone else said the skin looked kind of like an uncooked turkey.
Yeah. A lot of poultry references. Wait, did you write any of these?
No, I was just making sure that you didn't forget any insults.
One of the accounts or users was Funny Man MB. So
Puppy Fluffy.
Yeah,
I'm with Verified. I don't understand how you're actually good at this and you didn't just tear stuff apart.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Like
you guys don't do this? You don't make yourself use channel locks and salad tongs during the day?
Look at the
look at this.
Look at the guy that knows the building terms. A channel lock, that's not a wrench. I would call it a wrench,
Yeah, I would have called it a wrench, and I would have called those metal clampers.
Elemental Panic, thank you very much for the pop filter. Now let's quickly get on to the shock mount so that we can see what's in here. This one I think is farts. To keep the vibrations coming up from the table when I'm pounding away on my keyboard. There may be.
I do realize that. If I hit this thing here, this spring.
Yeah, it's supposed to eliminate some of that. I'm sorry about the language. This one might do me in, folks. There's a hand in the shot too. I'm really blowing it.
I can't open that carefully with hands. Yeah, we are getting people upset. They said, I see hands. Just a reminder, don't show those mittens.
Yeah, so, send us stuff from the wish list and we'll open it like assholes. That's...
Here you go.
No one will ever send anything again, that's for sure.
I got a tweet.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah?
And it said, and this is paraphrased, I can't read the actual thing. Get your GD skeleton hands out of the MFing shot, you CSing DS.
Wow.
So I had to get a different pair of pliers that have a little bit more range. Okay, and there it is. That's the shock mount. Look at that.
There you go.
That holds
okay.
the mic and limits vibrations going to it. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice?
Fantastic. I am shocked you got that open.
Thank you very much, Elemental Panic. I really
Yeah.
appreciate that.
Joby, you should work in a clean room using those boxes where you put your hands in the box that have gloves built into the box. You know what I'm talking about?
I go down to the hospital on the weekends and I just like cradle all the preemies that are in the little. Nothing weird. Just they're nice. They need extra hands down there. Pun intended.